Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to use the recurring functionality to easily set up activities that repeat at regular intervals. In this example, we're working on a software development project where one of the tasks is gathering feedback at the end of every week for 8 weeks in total. You could create these tasks individually, but that would be very time-consuming. This is where recurring tasks come in handy. Make sure the task has all the necessary details such as the assignees, estimated hours, and dates. You can also add documents if needed. Once you're ready, hover over the activity that you want to make recurring. Click the ellipses here and click the repeat button. You'll be prompted to choose your recurring task settings. For this example, we'll set the frequency to once every week on Monday, and we'll specify the number of occurrences instead of an end date. If the start date happens to fall on a weekend, the activity's start date will shift to the next workday. Once we apply, the task will be created. Thanks for watching. For more tips, visit the Birdview knowledge base. Happy planning!